So I was renovating my pantry a little bit and just changing things around, and I have this wall here. Let me just step back a bit, see if I can. There you go. I have the wall here, and this is wasted space all the way from up here above my head down to the ground. That's wasted space. And this used to be a warehouse, a workshop, which is why this is all just hardboard. And I was going to put up some racks here, and the light used to be up here, and then now we shifted the light to back here. And so then I thought, I want to really, how am I going to use this optimally? Are these going to be the best? Is this the best solution that I could come up with? And I realized that one of the things that I really want to get out of the racks here are all these cans. This is all canned food. And then I saw a whole bunch of ideas on how to make. My friend Lizzie showed me, she gave me the idea how to make vertical can dispensers. And I was thinking about making them up here with wood, but it would have been, I do have like spare wood lying around, but it would have been quite a bit of work until I saw this thing that I made a while back, which is where I keep the old shopping bags, and I just stuff them in here. And then I looked at this yesterday and I realized, hey, this fits in perfectly. So I just went and I bought 80 millimeter downpipe, and here they are. Shop cut them for me into 1 meter lengths, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with that. That's going to become my can dispenser. All right, I'm here in the pantry, and what I did is I cut some pieces of wood to fit in, 50 centimeter piece to fit in here between the prepaid electricity box and the shelf. And I did it on those lines there, and I'm going to put the other one down here because there are beams there that can carry the weight. Although they're not going to have a lot of weight, they're just more going to have a shearing power. And so I just put these guys in so they're nice and level. Boom, as you can see, nice and level. Sorry about the lights, guys. We don't have electricity at the moment. We're having load shedding again, yay. And so I'm just working with this awesome rechargeable light that I got here. Okay, so I'm just going to put the other one in there, and then I'll show you the rest of the steps. So what I did yesterday is I attached these reinforcing little planks in here. They were just offcuts, and they went straight through the wall into there's a beam running at the back, so they go straight into the beam, so they're very, very firm. There's no way that this isn't gonna break off. And then this is the line that I measured that I want to have the top of the pipe at. So that's where the top of the pipe would be, like so. Because let me just put it down. I need to have space. If I put in a can, I need to have space to get in, to get to the top of the can, to the top of the pipe. If the pipe was up there, I wouldn't be able to get in there. I wouldn't be able to fit it in. Right, so what I then did, I used the hole saw and I just cut holes in the pipe at the appropriate height, as you can see. And so now I just need to finish the thingy that goes at the bottom and then make that opening there, and then this can get attached directly to those reinforcing planks. It's not exactly rocket science. This is actually quite simple, but I am kind of designing it as I'm going along, sort of, building the ship while we're sailing it. Right, I just wanted to show my progress up to now. I've put in the screws in the top hole, and so now those still need to be done. Let me just see there. You can see the hole. That one on the left, this one over here, obviously. This is done, and at the bottom as well. So I'm just now attaching the pipes, and then we'll see what it looks like after that. And then I just need to figure out a way to have a stop there, because my initial plan isn't good enough. I want to change that plan a bit. And we're pretty much done. and I put in this little sort of little stand here, little brace here. This is just two planks that I glued together and then screwed. First I glued them together and I screwed them together, and then I screwed the whole thing to the wall. And the can is going to rest on this. I had another plan initially of cutting little circles out, putting them in there, put them through with screws, and then cutting this out. But it was just, first of all, a lot of work, and it would have taken away some of the sort of the storage space, if I could call it that. And I wasn't too sure that those screws weren't going to break out of the plastic at some point, because of the weight of the cans dropping down every time you take out one can. This should not have a problem carrying that weight. So let me put in some cans. And we're done. So I figured out up to this line here, if that's why I put a 3 there. That's 3 cans. Up to here it'll be 7 cans. So if I could see a can there, I know there's at least 7 left. And up to this point over here, that would be 11 cans. I just put this number 12 up here on top to see if it'll fit in. But yeah, this is pretty cool. I'm very happy with this. Also, these cans in this pipe here, they don't have any labels. That's sweet corn, so I just had to write the name up. But the others, I can see these are all mixed veg, and that's tomato and onion mix, and there's some spaghetti, and there's baked beans. So that would be one way. If they are labeled, then obviously you don't need to put anything. But if they're not labeled, then maybe just this pipe I'm going to just stick to putting sweet corn in. So I'm going to put in some more pipes, and I need to go buy some more pipes. But I could put in at least another 2 here, and then I just need to extend this rest here at the bottom. Just extend it a little bit out to this side to catch the cans, but not too shabby. I'm quite happy with this. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this, remember to like and subscribe. Bye.